Okay, if your Windows is stuck and loading a screen, first you need to enter the Windows recovery environment and boot into the safe mode. First you need to force shut down your PC by holding the power button, turn it on and repeat the shutdown process 2 to 3 times until Windows recovery environment loads. Once you are come to the Windows recovery environment, you can select the troubleshoot option there. Then after go to advanced option and startup setting and restart. After it is restarting, press 4 key or F4 key to enter the safe mode. In the safe mode, you can uninstall recently installed software or drivers that may cause issues and run Windows Update. Let's see how to uninstall recent Windows Update by just go to Start menu, go to Setting. In the left side menu, go to Windows Update option. Tap on Update History. Scroll down and tap on Uninstall Updates. So in here you can see all the updates are currently installed on your computer. You can simply select the latest update, tap on uninstall on here. It will be appear once when it is uninstallable. Then after you can uninstall the updates and try to restart your computer. Same you will have to do the same thing for the drivers also. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager. Assume you install latest driver on the display adapter. Right click on your driver, go to uninstall device, tick this one, tap on uninstall and restart the computer. Once it is done, you have to perform a startup repair. To do that, again you need to come to the Windows recovery environment. As previously I said, go to troubleshoot again, go to advanced option. This time you need to go to startup repair. Select your user account and enter the password if it is asked. So then after, Windows will be attempt to fix boot related problems automatically. Once the problem is fixed, it will be restart and you can try to log in your computer. And again you can check your disk for check disk integrity. To do that, again you need to come to the Windows recovery environment as the previous method. In this time you have to open command prompt via go to advanced option, then after go to command prompt. In the command prompt you have to type chkdsk and choose your Windows installation drive, usually it is C drive, /f/r/x. Hit enter. This will scan the disk and repair the disk related issues. Other than that, you can perform a system restore by again come to Windows recovery environment, go to troubleshoot, advanced option and system restore. So if your computer has system restore point, you can see the point from there. So you can just select that restore point and you can tap on next. This will roll back your system into that previously working state. And again you can check and reset the RAM modules, power of your computer and unplug from power. Then after, remove the RAM cards carefully and clean your RAM sticks and try to reset your RAM stick again. As a final step, you can use the command prompt to repair your boot configuration. So Windows recovery environment, you need to go to advanced option and select the command prompt option. Then you need to type the command bootrec and space /fix boot. This will fix the boot related issues. So these are the methods you can try to fix the issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.